Hey, Anton here from GT Canada. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to remove the ski pylon from your inboard or direct drive boat. Super easy when you do this, and it works every single time. So this is on a Mastercraft direct drive boat. What you're going to do, I've pulled this cover off already. You might not have a cover, you might only have your engine compartment, but what you're looking for is down inside there. You see those bolts right there? So there's two bolts and a U-bolt that goes around the ski pole, and then there'll be two more up higher. So this one wraps around from the back and into the engine bay. So I'm going to be going through here in the engine bay to get to those ones, and we just need to take them all off. So I'm going to do that first. So I just got my socket on there. Now if you don't want to, you don't have to take it all the way out, but then you might not know if it's getting caught on here at all. So I usually take it all the way out. So after you get those out, it's going to be loose. You can see, we can wiggle it, but usually you're not going to be able to pull it up. So it's not even always going to be this loose actually, but once you know it's loose, I'm going to show you the next step, and this is what makes it dead easy. So my top secret tool for getting this out is just a regular old ratchet strap. You actually do need a wakeboard tower to make this work. If you got a wakeboard tower, all we're going to do, hook it up around the top, hook it up around the post here, and ratchet it up till it's good and tight, and then we just smack the bottom with a hammer and it should come right out. So on this one there actually was a little lip on the bottom there, so that was catching on the bottom U-bolt. So I did have to loosen it out a little bit more and then pull it out. But once it did, that tension was enough. All I do is just grab it at the top and wiggle it back and forth, and with that tension it'll pull it right out. You do not have to pull up or anything, it'll just pop out. And then that creates a larger step through opening area. So if you know you're not using that ski pole, then this helps to give you a little bit more room inside your boat. You're not always stubbing your toe on that. Hey, thanks for watching another GT Canada video. We got lots of great stuff in store, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can stay up to date on all the latest stuff as we upload it. Comment below and watch the next video.